So you're getting ready to record a video and you need to decide if you should write a full-on script or outline it. I'm gonna break it down for you. I'm Rachel B. Hughes, a creative entrepreneur who helps other entrepreneurs create engaging videos to showcase their expertise. If you're looking for more video tips, be sure to check out more videos like this one by hitting subscribe. In this video, I'm going to explain when you should use an outline or script. The first thing is structure. I'm going to assume you have a topic or multiple topics you want to talk about. I'm also going to assume you know your material or subject matter pretty well. Now you need to figure out how to structure the way you're presenting the information on camera. The best format to use, and I'm going to generalize here for the majority of videos where you're teaching or discussing a topic, is to start with a hook, introduce yourself and the topic, say your main points, and then finish with an outro and a call to action. I'll explain this more later. So approach the prep to a video like you would an essay. Outline your main points and use steps or tips, benefits, pros and cons to organize it because it creates a rhythm for viewers to follow. Then you can build examples or subpoints from the main points. Now, when I was writing the outline or script for this video, I was really trying to outline my main points, but I honestly know that when I'm recording, I feel more confident to use a teleprompter because then I won't get sidetracked and I will have a rhythm down. Since this video is me teaching something, I want to be specific. But for like interviews or other types of videos, I don't use a teleprompter. So do you know if you're comfortable using a teleprompter? If you're not sure, be sure to check out the benefits to using a teleprompter next. I also find it helpful to walk while you're outlining your points. I heard this quote the other day that's been haunting me. Sitting is the new smoking. And I found that when I get up and move and walk on the beach, there's this energy when I'm outlining because when your body moves, the brain grooves. So you find what's best for you. Step one for doing any prep work for any video is to outline. So now if you're hopping in front of the camera, how do you decide to use an outline? Using an outline in your video. Now, I think the deciding factor on if you use an outline or a script in your video comes down to your style. Are you comfortable with the information enough to be able to flow? Or is it more of a conversation that you're having with the person who's watching? The experts that I've seen who outline are people who constantly talk about their subject. They know their stuff so well that it's a conversation. If you're using an outline, I think, but again, it's a preference, it's fine if you have a paper in front of you to help you stay on your main points. This will keep you on track and help with transitions. Times I've seen outlines work really well is when you're showing the viewer something on camera with your hands. For example, a firearm company or a hairstylist. The person on camera intros the topics and themselves and says, I'm going to show you how to do this. And then they physically show it on camera, whether that's shooting a firearm or shampooing hair. Then you wrap up the video by saying, now you try it or practice this way. And then you close it with a call to action. Buy this product. Join our class where we teach you this in depth. When you're using your hands to demonstrate something on camera, it's way more difficult to use your hands and look back at the teleprompter and read, just a lot going on. Does this make sense? Give this video a like if you're getting the picture so far. Now, I will say you can use an outline in a teleprompter. You might have a transition, word, or line that the teleprompter needs to pause, so it'll take a little bit more time to figure this out. Outlines also work well when it's two people on camera discussing a topic. They might have 3 main bullet points to talk about, and once they're finished with one point, they can glance down at their outline and move on to the next one. Using a script in your video. I've seen full-on scripts vital when it's facts, data, something you don't want to mess up, or a short video like an ad. Now you need to know your message and your inflections and still talk with your hands. Scripts are beneficial when you want to be specific and you don't want to memorize. I use scripts in all my videos. Now that might change, but for now I find it helpful because it keeps me on track. I know exactly what I want to say. And it takes practice. Times I've seen scripts work well are for an online course where there was 18 plus videos. Having to remember all the key points to all of those videos would be a lot. Now my client knew her message really well and reviewed it the day before shooting, but having the scripts gave her exactly what to say. Another time I've seen scripts work well is for those short, punchy intros. So a client of mine has a craft channel where she introduces the craft, talking to the camera, and then it cuts to her following the recipe with her hands, kind of like those tasty videos. And then at the end, it goes back to a video of her on camera. It's the same format as before: hook, intro, steps, end, call to action. But the beginning and the end, she's on camera for like 30 seconds using a teleprompter. Bottom line, it comes down to your style and what you're teaching. Think about the information you're sharing and how comfortable you are on camera. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I will be sure to get back to you. All right, catch you later.